The Bowflex? The SOLE E20 or Nautilus? Perhaps the Niceday or the Schwinn Fitness? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 elliptical machines available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best elliptical machines. The 5th product on this list is the Nautilus E616. This unit adds value to your home gym. It is a connectivity-ready elliptical training machine that boasts enhanced Bluetooth connectivity and effective functionality. It will allow you to create and record workouts, keep track of your progress, and even push yourself harder for additional results. This sleek machine delivers a smooth, continuous motion that provides a full range of motion and customizable settings for maximum comfort and performance during a workout. Also, the built-in Bluetooth enables you to pair your device with the free digital mobile app to track your workout and take advantage of multiple exercise modes, including heart rate control, interval training, manual controls, and custom programs. Moreover, it has the perfect amount of power, along with its 20 inches precision path stride length to accommodate a variety of users. And with 25 levels of resistance for a wide range of workout intensity options, you can feel a little or a lot, depending on your preferences. If you like to run through challenging terrain, the Explore the World feature takes advantage of your favorite outdoor routes and turns them into an indoor workout with real-time adjustments based on your chosen speed. And it can customize its activities with popular app-based tracking tools, such as iFit Coach and Google Maps on the large LCD. Furthermore, it offers a high-speed, high-inertia drive system with a perimeter-weighted flywheel for easy startup and consistent workouts. It combines a safe, stable frame with advanced technology to create a variety of exercises. This unit delivers all the comfort and ease you want when working out and staying fit. Its pros are its 25 levels of magnetic resistance and 29 workout programs. It has Bluetooth compatibility and a USB charging port, and its chest strap heart rate monitor included. However, the assembly manual doesn't have written directions, only pictures, which can make it tricky to put together. The Nautilus E616 is an excellent elliptical for those looking to introduce themselves to a new kind of workout. It gives an enjoyable and challenging workout for both beginners and advanced users. Up next in 4th place is the Schwinn Fitness 430. This elliptical machine is designed to help you achieve your personal goal of weight loss, increased endurance, and muscle tone. It is a fitness machine available in a compact design, featuring dual-track LCDs with 10 different programs and 20 levels of resistance. The goal tracking feature enables the user to set exercise objectives, while dual-track LCDs provide increased visibility to workout programming and goal tracking. The high-speed, high-inertia drive system ensures easy startup and quiet workouts, providing maximum user comfort. Also, it helps to get you in shape with 22 preset workout programs, including 9 profiles, 8 heart rate control, and a quick start function. It includes a profile program that adjusts resistance based on whether the user is walking, jogging, or running, a control program that responds to the user's heart rate in real time, and a fitness test feature made up of 3 stages of increasing intensity. What's more, this fitness machine measures 20 by 55 by 84 inches and has a 300-pound weight capacity. It combines quiet performance with convenient features to inspire improved flexibility and cardio strength. The goal track capability enables users to set individual exercise goals perfect for those who have specific targets in mind or wish to have daily goals set by their trainer. All in all, this fitness elliptical delivers a smooth, quiet workout with a high-inertia drive system for easy startup and operation. Its pros are it offers 20 levels of resistance, it has a built-in control system that pairs with your heart rate, and its LCD screen display brings increased visibility to programs and goal tracking. However, the resistance level resets to its default whenever you turn it off and back on, which can be annoying. The Schwinn Fitness 430 is the perfect cardio machine, offering the most effective exercise routine while providing a smooth and quiet workout in the comfort of your own home. Still haven't found an elliptical machine that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Niceday CT11. This next fitness machine is built with the highest quality parts and materials available. It has a 400-pound weight capacity and an LCD screen to inform you of your exercise data. The elliptical machine is strong enough to meet the needs of the most robust user, while being quiet enough to not disturb others in the house, making it an ideal all-around home exercise machine. The magnetic driving system and adjustable stride length allow for total comfort with the perfect knee alignment for exercisers. Also, the 16-pound flywheel and 16 resistance levels provide a real in-home workout to help you tone and sculpt your body without ever leaving home. Additionally, this machine is designed to simulate walking and running on all terrains, including stairs and hills. It also has a 4-wheel system that provides stable support, and its frictionless magnetic part ensures quiet operation. It maximizes efficiency and reliability through a magnetic resistance mechanism. We like that this is suitable for all ages without limits on your workout intensity or duration. It is compact and lightweight for easy storage, and it features an LCD showing your time or speed, distance traveled, and even an estimated calorie burn. Finally, it includes a heart rate sensor strap to monitor your workout intensity and keep you safely in the zone. And because it was designed with 90% pre-assembled, it can get started quickly with or without hassle. This quiet and smooth elliptical workout will soothe your mind while providing great cardiovascular exercise. Its pros are, its 16 magnetic resistance levels provide a smoother experience. It has a 400 pounds weight limit, making it suitable for larger users, and it comes mostly pre-assembled, which saves a lot of time and effort. However, it has no built-in workout programs. The Niceday CT11 is a straightforwardly effective unit that ensures comfort during your workout, while the adjustable resistance levels give you the choice of intensity. It's perfect for anyone looking to get a good workout at home. The second product on this list is the Bowflex Max Trainer series. This elliptical delivers all the benefits of cardio and resistance interval training. The unique burn rate display shows how many calories are burned per minute and sets activity level targets. In contrast, the interactive backlit display features 2 workout programs and 8 resistance levels. It activates muscles to help incinerate calories from your body in every full body workout. It is composed of a moving handle that works in unison with your body's natural rhythm. Also, the patented resistance lever system is straightforward to use and will help you sculpt your entire body, arms, chest, back, and legs. In addition, the adjustable footrests make it easy for users of all sizes to get comfortable and begin working out immediately. It combines the easy and low impact motion of walking with the calorie burning power of a stepper. This comfortable, compact design lets you pedal with your arms or push the handles for a more leisurely ride, allowing you to work out at home and on the go, creating a system that can help you achieve your fitness goals. You can also set your burn rate goals by inputting your stats, so the trainer knows how far you've progressed from day one. Furthermore, it can easily take your workout from casual to intense with the ability to adjust its intensity from 0 to 100% via incremental resistance. It's ideal for anyone who wants to incorporate fitness into their daily routine. Its pros are, it's quite a compact machine with a small footprint. It has a heart rate monitoring chest strap included, and the gauge on the display is helpful and easy to read. However, its steps are very deep, making it unsuitable for those who are short or have bad knees. The Bowflex Max Trainer series is a great way to simultaneously work out your upper and lower body. It utilizes the power of a stepper while also using an elliptical, which will help you achieve a full body workout. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top elliptical machine is the SOLE E20 Elliptical. This top unit is the perfect way to pull yourself away from the desk and work up a sweat. It has a whisper quiet front drive system, which, unlike most ellipticals, doesn't get louder as you increase your workout intensity. The easy viewing LED display sets programs to help keep you focused, while the magnetic resistance allows for smooth, fluid motion with minimal resistance changes throughout your stride. The 2-degree inward sloped foot pedals reduce pressure on your ankles and knees, while the 10 total preset programs push you to use the most out of the machine. And with a large 15-pound flywheel, this elliptical holds over time and improves revolutions, maximizing use. Moreover, the Bluetooth technology is built in for both speakers and the SOLE app so that you can listen to your favorite tunes and a detailed voiceover readout of your current workout stats like time, distance, and speed. Also, the user can choose programs based on heart rate or the time they want to exercise and enjoy wireless connectivity through a Bluetooth-compatible SOLE Trainer app. The programmable resistance levels help you change it from easy to complex during your workout routine. It works well in any home or gym setting and allows you to stay fit and healthy. Lastly, it is a highly intuitive elliptical machine designed for maximum comfort and a wide range of workouts with 2-degree inward sloped foot pedals reduces pressure on ankles and knees. So if you want an easier and more effective way to reach your fitness goals, this is the device for you. Its pros are: its heavy-duty frame and 300 pounds weight limit. It has Bluetooth speakers and a USB charging port. It has a magnetic resistance system that's quiet and effective, and it provides specially designed pedals for long-term comfort. However, it only has 10 total preset workout programs. The SOLE E20 Elliptical is perfect for users who want a full-body cardio-centric workout from a convenient-to-use indoor exercise machine. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.